Father. You never understand when there will be an emergency situation, when you'll need to leave a date or cancel, and that might make her jealous, Brock states. According to Fisher's research study, single mothers are not looking specifically for a guy with kids, however single fathers are looking for a woman who is a mother. However, there's no warranty of this. Do not neglect a female who has never been a mother. She may be fantastic with your kids due to the fact that there is nobody contending for her attention. They'll wish to know her name, what she looks like, and whether she has children, but little else. In regards to meeting her, this is a decision your kid need to make. Nevertheless, be sure to include that at some time in the future, if you must ever meet someone you want to date specifically, you will want them to satisfy her. A lot of kids will be fine with this since they can't truly imagine that happening. Introducing women into your kids' lives too often can skew their perceptions. The author of Be an Excellent Divorced Father. Never compromise time with your kids for time with a date, Fisher says. This indicates no dropping the kids off at grandma's home when it is your weekend with them. This speaks volumes to the kids about your absence of importance and concentrate on them, Fisher states. Do not share all the intimate information of a female with your kids. They never ever require to understand that you consider a woman to be a sexy hot mess. Share that with your good friends, states Fisher. It can be difficult, because sometimes if the mom isn't dating yet, she might try to reject your dating in front of the kids. The kids may likewise battle with either or both parents' brand new better halves. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.